I think this is a great space for civil society organizations and journalists to build a network and to build solidarity with each other. As these civil society spaces are shrinking, as well as journalists are under attack, we need to work together and we need to find ways to work with each other to strengthen our collaboration and to make sure that our voices are heard and that we support each other. Um, I think the most important tool that we have with us is solidarity. So we need to build a culture of solidarity with each other. We need to have cross-movement interaction. We also have to build our movements. We need to build really strong movements, and we need to build a culture of accountability. So how do we go around doing this? So for building solidarity with each other, we have to make sure that we build our capacity, we build our knowledge, we do advocacy, and all of this feeds into strengthening our movements. At the same time, we need to make sure that our governments are being held accountable when human rights defenders are under attack or when journalists are under attack. We also see that there is massive corporate capture of the media. We need to make sure that that media is also held accountable. Big digital corporations are coming into our countries, and we see that there is a lot of misinformation and disinformation that is online. And as well as there are a lot of misogynistic attacks that women human rights defenders face. So we need to make sure that we have this culture of accountability, and with this culture of accountability and solidarity, we can strengthen our movements. Well, how we can support other movements is to show our support for those movements from where we are in our own countries, and of course, as I said, we need to build a culture of solidarity. We need to express that we are there with them. We need to encourage them. We need to make sure their voices are heard within our countries, and we would also want to hear from them how we can support them as well, because that's very important. They're on the ground and they're fighting for their rights, and it's so important that all of us stand together with them.